Hello my dear students, welcome back. This video is for the students of class 1st, subject maths, chapter 1st, more about numbers, and it's a lecture number 1. My lovely children, in this video we are going to start today our new chapter of new term book, term 2. So it's our first chapter, more about numbers, and lecture number 1. So in this video we will do our new chapter. So what is it in this video we will see. So let's get started. My dear students, here we have our chapter number first, M-O-R-E, more, A-B-O-U-T, about, and U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. More about numbers means कि नंबर के बारे में, numbers के बारे में और ज़्यादा जानना. Means we have studied number. So in this video, in this chapter, we will learn more about numbers. Numbers के बारे में हम और बहुत सारी चीज़ें, बहुत सारे facts, बहुत सारी things, new things we will going to be learn in this chapter. So let's have a look what's we are going to be learn today. So in this video we will rewind our chapter. We will rewind what we have done already. जो भी हमने नंबर के बारे में, नंबर्स के बारे में अभी तक सीखा है, हम उन सभी फैक्ट्स को, उन सभी थिंग्स को हम अभी रिवाइंड करेंगे, वन टाइम रिकॉल करेंगे. सो एवरीथिंग विल बी फ्रेश इन योर माइंड. यू विल गेट rewind everything. Okay, so in this video we will do let's rewind only. It's provided in your book at the page number, yes, page number 3. In this one, first question is F-I-L-L, fill, T-H-E-D, M-I-S-S-I-N-G, missing, N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. Fill the missing numbers. As you can see, students, that here is some boxes given. Here some boxes are given out. So you have to fill the empty one. Okay. So in some boxes digits are given, but some boxes are empty. Empty means these are not filled. So we have to fill the missed number there. We have to find out that which number is missing. जो नंबर मिसिंग होगा हम उसको यहाँ पे फिल करेंगे. So here the counting started from 1, then 2. 2 is not here, so we will write 2 here. After 2, 3. You have to use complete box and write clearly. After 3, 4. After 4, 5. That is already written over there. After that, 6. After 6, 7. After 7, 8. 8 is given to you, so you need not to write 8 here. 8. After 8, 9. After 9, 1, 0, 10. After 10, 1, 1, 11. From here, 2-digit number are started. 2-digit number, 2-digit, and so on. There will be 2-digit number. After 12, after 11, 12. After 12, 13. That is already here. After 13, 14. After 14, 15. After 15, 16. That is already provided. After 16, 17. After 17, 18. That is given to you. After 18, 19. And 19 के बाद 20. So in the previous, all previous videos, you have learned number 1 to 20 only. Okay, हमने सिर्फ 1 to 20 तक ही नंबर लर्न किए और सीखे हैं. So here we have filled number 1 to 20. All missed number, all the missing numbers we filled here. Now, here we have question number 2. WRITE, write. NUMBER, number. NAMES, names. Write number, names. FOR, THE, FOLLOWING, following. NUMBERS, numbers. Write number names for the following numbers. आपने ये जो फॉलोइंग नंबर्स हैं, इनके आपने नंबर नेम राइट करने हैं. ओके, नंबर्स आर गिवन टू यू हैव टू राइट दियर नंबर नेम्स. सो विच नंबर इज दिस? इट्स 2. राइट TWO, 2. TWO, 2. Next number is, yes, this is 7. Right here, SEVEN, 7. 7 means 7. Next is 18. 18. Right here, 18. EIGHTEEN, 18. You have to join each and every letter, so it will look very beautiful. Write clearly, write neatly, joining to each and every letter. So here we have done number names. Number 3, question number 3. DRAW, draw. THED, BEADS, beads. FOR, THED, GIVEN, given. NUMBERS, numbers. Draw the beads for the given numbers. जो numbers given है, such as here, this one and this one. For these all numbers, you have to draw beads. Number 2 bead we have to proceed. So here we have 1, 6, 16. At the place of ones we have 6. Number 6. So we have to draw 6 beads. Let's draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 1, so draw only 1 bead. You can make it completely colorful or outside boundary only. Next, 1, 0, 10. 0 means no bead, and for 1 we will draw 1 bead. Done. 0, 8. It becomes 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 0 means nothing. Next, 6. Here we have number 6. Draw 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done. And for 0 we will not draw any bead. Next we have question number 4. C O M P A R E. Compare. T H E. The. F O L L O W I N G. Following. U S I N G. Using. Yes, it's the sign of less than, comma, greater than, or equal to sign. Compare the following using less than, greater than और is equal to sign. Compare मतलब तुलना करना, इन दोनों को देखना कि कौन सा greater number है, which is less, which is great, and which two numbers are equal. So finding out is known as comparison. Finding out which is bigger, which is smaller is known as comparison. So we have to do comparison here. We have to compare the following using less than, greater than, or equal to sign. So first of all, here we have 17-17. Both number, as you can see, both sides number are same. 17-17. When both side numbers are same, we put is equal to sign. Means both side the numbers are equal. So it's the sign of is equal to. Next, 6-9. In both these numbers, you have to judge that which number is greater, which number is smaller. When we do comparison, when we have to put the sign of greater than, sign of less than, then in that situation we have to look the first number. जब हम greater than का sign put करते हैं, less than का sign put करते हैं और is equal to के sign put करते हैं, तो हमें पहले first वाला number देखना होता है. Okay, if it is smaller to the second number, then put a sign of less than. If it is greater to the second number, put a sign of greater than. If both numbers are equal, then sign of equal to. So first number is 6. 6 9 से small है या big है? Small है. So small की तरफ हम close mouth करते हैं, like this. Mouth is closed, so closed mouth. So it is the sign of less than. 6 is less than 9. 6 is less than 9. In this one, 13-11. 13, here's the space. We have to put sign here, and 11. So we have to compare here. 13, हम first number को देखेंगे. We will judge by the first number. So 13 is bigger than 11 or smaller than 11? Yes, it's greater than 11. 11 से बड़ा है. और जब first number बड़ा होता है, so we put a sign of greater than. So we can say 13 is greater than 11. 13 is greater than 11. Next one is question number 5. W-R-I-T-E, write. T-H-E, the. F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G, following. N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. I-N-N A-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G, ascending. A-N-D and D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G, descending. O-R-D-E-R. In this one, we have to write the following numbers in ascending and descending order. In this question, we have to arrange all these numbers in ascending order as well as in descending order. पहले हम इन्हीं सारे numbers को ascending order में लिखेंगे, फिर descending order में, then these numbers and then these numbers. So here no space is given, so we will do this sum in our notebook. Students, for doing work in your notebook, you need to make a format first. You have to make only 2-line format. In this format, you have to mention date, day, SW and chapter number. We are not mentioning the chapter name here. You have to mention chapter number. Similarly, same as it is, you have to make format in your notebook. It should not be different. Date, day, SW and then in the center chapter number. So here we are going to do question number 5. That is given in your book. So in question number 5, we have to do, what do we have to do? That write the following numbers in ascending and descending order. So that's why here we will write first of all in ascending order. Right here A, S, C, E, N, D, I, N, G. Ascending O, R, D, E, R. Order. Ascending order. First of all, we will arrange all these numbers in ascending order. Later on in descending order. Okay. Similarly, you have to do work in your notebook as it is. Beautifully, clearly with the same format. Okay. So first of all, we will do ascending order. We will arrange all numbers in ascending order. At the first number we are having 10, 1 0, 0, 10, comma 1, 5, 15, comma 13, comma 12. We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So in ascending order, first of all, we find out the smallest number. So which is the smallest number? Yes, 10 is the smallest number. We will write here 1 0 10. 10 से big 12. 12 से big 13. 13 से big, or we can say the biggest number 15. Arranged. Next, number 2, 10, 8, 7, 9. So which is the smallest number? Yes, 7 is the smallest number. 7, comma 7 से भी 8, 8 से भी 9, and the biggest 10. Next is 15, number 3. 1 by 15, comma 12, comma 14, comma 18. Now arrange. 12 is the smallest number. 12, comma 12 से भी 14. We have done ascending and descending order earlier, so it's need not to revise again and again. It's just for review. Let's rewind. Okay, so 14 से भी 15, and the biggest number is 18. So here we have done arrangement in ascending order. Now let's arrange in descending order. Write here D, E, S, C, E, N, D, I, N, G. Descending O, R, D, E, R. Order. Descending order. So here we will do directly. Need not to write again and again. 10, 15, 13, 12. So in descending order we have to arrange biggest to smallest. सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे सबसे बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है? 15. Do here. Otherwise it will be lengthy for you. Number 1. 15 is the biggest number. 15 से small. अब हम 15 से small देखेंगे. Yes, 15 से small 30. So write here 30. 1, 3, 13. 13 से small number 12. Right here 12. Or 12 से small, or we can say the smallest number 10. Right here 10. According to the second one, 10, 8, 7, 9. Number 2. Which is the biggest number? 10. 10 को हम सबसे पहले राइट करेंगे. 10 से स्मॉल 9. 9 को सेकेंड नंबर पे राइट किया. 9 से स्मॉल 8. और सबसे स्मॉल 7. लास्ट इज 15, 12, 14, 18. बिगेस्ट नंबर इज 18. जब हम काउंट करते हैं तो सबसे लास्ट में इन सब नंबर में से कौन सा आता है? 18. तो सबसे बड़ा कौन सा हुआ? 18. 18, 18 से स्मॉल 15. राइट हियर 15. 15 से स्मॉल 14. राइट हियर 14. और सबसे स्मॉल 12. We will write here 12. So here we have done arrangement of these numbers in ascending as well as in descending order. So here I have done. Before going, I want to request you that please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the latest video. And yes, you forgot to take homework. Let's take your homework. And your homework is learn tables of 2 and 3. Here is the table of 2. And here is the table of 3. You can learn it from here. So learn table of 2 and 3. In the next video, we will discuss these tables. So till the next video, bye bye, take care.